Welcome once again. Let's talk about Shiba Inu. Oh yes, you can turn $50 worth of Shiba Inu to $5,000 worth of Shiba Inu, and you can turn $5 worth of Shiba Inu to $500 worth of Shiba Inu. Is this true? Is it a possibility? Oh yes, it is very much possible. If you've been following Shiba Inu latest project, if you've been following Shiba Inu programs, what they have been planning, you will know that something big is coming, something huge is coming, something that will shock Shiba Inu community and crypto industry. Shiba Inu should remain one coin that shocked the world. Yes, imagine, I hope you remember the story of the investment, or there's a guy that invested $4,000 and $5.7 billion. I was like, wow, why didn't I know about Shiba Inu then? Sometimes whenever I remember this news, I was like, oh God, I would have invested, because it simply means a $20 investment then will have returned almost between $15 million to $26 million. Wow. Well, the truth is, yes, that opportunity is gone, but an opportunity can still come your way. There are so many coins out there that can still hit and make you a multi-millionaire. You buy your dream cars, buy your dream house. Now, Shiba Inu is one of those coins that is a possibility that this coin is also ready to pump between 10,000 to 1 million %. But if you ask me, I would say forget about 1 million, forget about 100,000. Let's go for 10,000%. Do you know why? Because at the time of recording this, Shiba Inu only need to delete 2 zeros in order to get to this point. Now, deleting 1 zero is not going to be a problem, because they have done that. It's just because of the recent crypto industry crash, but if most of the whole coins have been affected for over 1 year. That is why Shiba Inu added another zero. Now, Shiba Inu, yes, will be deleting that zero. The other zero, there is a possibility, because they are working towards huge project we've never seen before. Project that will shock crypto industry. And you know one important thing, there is so much love for Shiba Inu. The love Shiba Inu is getting from crypto experts, from crypto traders, from communities and crypto lovers around the world is amazing. Whales are planning something huge, buying Shiba Inu coins. Traders are happy with Shiba Inu trading. Now, the staking of Shiba Inu have also increased. Shiba Inu have hit trillions of Shiba Inu coins that have been staked. And the burning of Shiba Inu also is going to take another level. This coin can hit 10,000% within the next 2 years. $50 will return about $5,000 in 2 years with Shiba Inu. There is much possibility for $50 to return $5,000 with Shiba Inu. So even if you have $5, you might be hitting about $500 with Shiba Inu. So why don't you just invest? Even though if it is $10, $20, let it be money you feel like, okay, let me just put this money into Shiba Inu and forget about it. Anything can happen. Even though, like for me personally, I bought Shiba Inu coins with Binance. I have Shiba Inu coins with Trust Wallet. I'm about to buy Shiba Inu coins with Coinbase. This time around, I want to buy $100 worth of Shiba Inu, and I will leave this coin even in the next 3 or 5 years to come. I want to forget about it. But please, I'm not saying you should go and invest $100. If you can afford to lose $100 and feel nothing, fine. If you can afford for $1,000, fine. If it is $50, fine. If it is $20, $10, even $1, fine. Because $1 Shiba Inu hitting 10,000% means you'll be getting about $100. Just $1, you're getting about $100. So $5 is $500. Then $50 is $5,000. $100 is $10,000. This is an investment. It's more of like someone is investing in real estate or in lands. the land gets adding value every day by day. Maybe in the next 5 years, you see that the land you bought for $10,000 is now worth $50,000, or it's now worth $70,000. That is just it, or it's worth $25,000. It depends on the area, the location of the land. That's the same thing that goes on with crypto industry. Especially the coins will be increasing little by little. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please carry do your own research before taking any decisions.